guys,
After introduction
hey!
first.
I don't know when I'm gonna post this video, but like when I do, I look the same as in the one that I was trying Dutch candy because I'm filming at the same time. But yes, these are my cousins. I have to introduce you guys again. Name?
Donika.
Name?
Edlita.
Okay. Obviously they're from Holland. We went out to Tesco and bought loads of English chocolate, lovely English chocolate sweets, biscuits, crisps, stuff like that, so they can try. And let's get started. First thing, okay, so we got Maltesers, bunnies. These ones come out in Easter time. They're little chocolates, blah blah blah. Here you go. Here you go. You all know what that looks like.
It's alright.
It's alright. I love them, you know, they're like my favourite thing. What do you think?
I think so. I have too much chocolate.
English chocolate is really rich, like it's proper sweet.
Heavy.
Yeah.
8 out of
8 out of 10, yeah. What about you?
8.
8, yeah. 8 out of 10, both of them. Next one. Okay. We got some brown cheese randoms. They're all different, like, so you can just choose like a couple of them. You can just pick one.
Goodness, your child's not ripped.
Yeah, I know. Don't watch that though.
Obviously, these are just like mixture of different sweets. I love it. Which one do I want? I want this
They're
one.
ripped like them.
I love the ones with white on the back.
I love her jeans so much. No.
Do you like Do you like them? What would you rate out of 10?
They're tired.
I'm fully like so full.
8.
You're fully.
8 out of 10, yeah. What would you rate it?
Shut up.
A 5 out of 10. So why did you not like it? Did you
Just smack. What's that kind of flavor? Flavor.
Oh, you just don't like the flavour?
Why are
Do you
penguins
want to
good
try a
at?
different one?
Oh, okay.
Maybe. Oh, shut up.
Wait, no, wait. Why are penguins good at racing?
You must
car
know about
driving?
how something about light bulbs that we don't.
Oh,
There's oh, that girl.
You like that one, yeah?
Wait.
What would you rate it now?
Out of 10.
1, 2, 3,
Oh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
8, yeah?
Alright,
8
wait,
out of
guys,
10.
wait.
Why?
Why are
I'm just helping
penguins
her.
good racing
Alright, no,
car
no.
drivers?
No,
Why?
it's Big Ben.
Why?
Because they're always in the pole station.
Ow! Okay, next we got penguins.
Penguins!
Next we got my bitch. Next we got penguins. Oh, jeez, Louis.
I don't know where it
Not
was.
a jeez, Louis. Okay, so next we got penguins.
Jeez,
Basically,
Louis.
Oh, wait for
they
that.
always have like jokes on the back, yeah?
Why can't penguins fly? Why can't penguins fly?
Because they're too birdy.
No, because they're chocolate biscuits.
Try that one.
It's not
I got another
Bite it
one.
in half. Bite it in half.
Why are penguins hard to get along with?
There's stuff in the middle. It's lekker.
Why are penguins hard to get along with?
Well, I don't know.
They're always fishing for
Oh my
compliments.
god.
I
Okay.
get me for this.
Try it.
It doesn't like chocolate or something.
Oh, do you not like chocolate?
Oh,
She don't like it. Oh my god, don't fucking waste it. Do you like it?
Well, I know.
Penguins are good, yeah, they're the best. We have them like, we would take them to school and stuff.
That's just you. You're fat.
Do you not like it at all?
No.
Why?
It's not good. Yeah.
What, is it because of the chocolate or stuff in the middle?
or is it because of the biscuit?
All of it?
I don't know what she's
Look at the big one.
It's in the middle.
In the middle, you don't like it?
chocola op. Zeg dat ik even te veel chocola op heb. No. I
You don't like it?
too much
No.
chocolate.
Oh, you've had too much chocolate, you feel sick.
What would you like?
Love that!
Or the fact
4 out of 10.
You still don't get home 3.
3 out of
Oh,
10.
you
They
should've
didn't like the
You should've
penguin.
said 0.
Anyway, next up we got mini eggs. You can't not like these guys, they're the best.
It's chocolate again.
Oh yes, chocolate.
She's gonna kill you.
It's hard, just go for it. They're confused. She's struggling.
She's like chocolate!
I feel sick as well, but
You guys got us there chocolate.
no. I feel like them.
More chocolate!
Ah! What? Do you like them?
Yeah. Right out.
Out of 10.
8.5.
The chocolate inside is nice, isn't it? I like that it's
Yes.
crispy on the outside as well.
Shut up.
What do you rate it?
That's
2.
7. Right. Oh lord. Like cheese and onion and salt and vinegar.
We have cheese and onions.
Do you have cheese and onion?
Yes, that's what
But
I
first we're gonna...
No.
I don't think they do.
And
We're gonna try French fries. Oh lord.
Touch! Give it to her.
I'm gonna just open a pack each and they can try. So we've got ready salted cheese
I don't
and
want
salt and vinegar and cheese and onion.
They're probably not gonna like cheese and onions, so I'll wait for them to not like it.
Wait. Try this one first because this one's ready salted. This one's ready salted. Like I mean just salted. So it's plain.
what is this?
It's a crisp.
It's crisp. It's crisp. Try it. It's all chips.
Oh, it's chips in their language.
We say chips
Oh,
in
chips,
Kosovo
yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you not like it?
Bro, if I was like
That's cheese and onion. Chew it. I think cheese and onion or salt and vinegar. I can't choose between them. So it's not my favourite.
that. Look at the flavour of the
Yeah.
crisp.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, salt and vinegar now. It's so good.
She's licking the stuff of the She licked the flavour of the thing. She's gonna lick the stuff off it, watch.
Just eat
Yeah.
chew it. Do you not like it?
No. Fucking cheese.
We
Yeah.
we love salt and vinegar. Okay.
Oh yeah, I need to give you something else. Oh shit.
Which No, which one do you like the best? Out of them three.
This one.
Cheese and
Would you rate
onion.
it?
Which one do you like the best? None of them. No. Cheese and onion.
Ready salted.
No. Not one.
None of them.
She doesn't like the accent.
7 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
And what about them? Salt and vinegar.
A 3.
-3.
Do you really not like them?
No.
You make her have one.
What do you rate them?
And 0.
Okay. It doesn't like them, but do you like the idea, like that it's like kind of
I like
French fries.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next up, Kit Kat, more chocolate. Kit Kat bites, white chocolate. Oh my god, I'm gonna be sick. Like I'm not even eating all of these. They're eating all of them. That's the problem. I feel bad.
Yeah.
These look like because I'm skipping some stuff, but they have to eat all of them.
I have to eat all of it. I can take like a bite.
Oh, yeah.
I'm actually gonna throw it up.
I can't hack anymore. She's struggling to bite into it. She's like,
Why do you say it? She just doesn't like it anymore.
she's like, ah, cute. Like it. Rating?
I like the normal one
Better.
more than the white one.
And
I rate
9.
it
9.
Ah, 9.
What about you?
Do you know what time it is?
7.5.
Time for you to get work.
Right, next
Oh,
up,
sorry.
cream egg. This is like controversial. Some people don't like it. Some people
It's
like
one
it.
of
I don't
those
like cream egg,
You lot,
but like I think American people love it.
Huh? Remember we were coming back from
Right,
holiday
you guys have one, so just
and we
take
sat
a
on the
bite each.
floor. I swear that's the company of
No.
the van that drove past. Look. When I was like,
What's this?
No.
what was that? That was
Okay,
yeah. What is that shop in
do you
Techepi?
like it?
No.
Do you like it? What's that shop in Techepi?
Do you like it? What?
Konzon.
You like it? What do you think? I don't like them, but like some people like. I think you like them, innit?
They're disgusting.
No, I don't know how I feel about them.
Some depends on my emotion.
Are you confused? Okay, what would you rate that?
7.
7, yeah?
And 2.
Oh shit.
Okay. Right. Is there anything else?
Yeah.
Oh my lord, there's bear in it.
No, there's this last.
Give them savoury, because that is really sweet. Alright, next up, McCoys. Do you guys have these?
No.
Okay. Again, cheese and onion and salt and vinegar.
I mean, if you are in my...
I don't know why we opened it like such a stupid way.
Because you opened it. That's
This
why.
is air.
Yeah, that's welcome to England. They say you air.
Oh, hair.
Air.
You get the joke.
That's why I air everyone.
I love McCoys. I think I like the salt and vinegar one better
Yes.
than cheese and onion. Especially with like a meal deal.
This is my
Sandwich.
favourite.
Yes! Oh shit, sorry. These ones are so salty. I love it.
No. These are probably you're not gonna like probably because you didn't like the salt vinegar ones.
Look at her licking it off. Do you not like potatoes?
No. Yes, but no.
You taste like
That's fine.
potatoes. Yeah, you taste like crisp. You're fucking crisp with me
Just
like
bite
you
it.
dickhead.
It's fucking weird.
Guys, you like my nails?
It's better than the fries thing. No.
I love salt vinegar.
Oh! Ah.
Same.
I thought it was
Real for a bit.
Salt
cheese
vinegar.
and onion.
Okay, rating.
Cheese and onion. 8.
Mhm.
And the
Salt
other,
vinegar.
-2. -2.
Mine. Oh, she's nicer than the -3 one.
Yes.
What about you? Did you like the green one better? Cheese one better?
That is so fucking disgusting.
Okay.
That.
What would you give it out of 10?
5.
5.
5.
And 0. That's the end of the video. We all feel sick. Did you guys like English food? These are different.
Yes.
There's no like the bun.
Salt and vinegar.
We have weird flavours of crisp. You haven't even tried prawn cocktail. We should have got them prawn cocktail crisp. Prawn cocktails like it kind of tastes like salt and vinegar, but with a bit of fishy. That's my favourite flavour.
Right.
Like what other flavours do we have this with here? That's it, innit? Did you guys like it? Like most of the food? Or
Yes.
I don't think she liked. No, you like quite a
Try
lot.
these really salted ones.
Anyway, that's the end of the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, what's share again? Deal.
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 Deal, like.
Well,
Sorry.
do you want to say like hi to your friends or anything like that? Like,
Hey, Simon.
Hi, friends.
anything?
Hey, Daniela.
See, but got some shout
Hey,
out.
Greta.
No. Okay.
Hi,
Anyway,
Miss.
thanks
I'm
for
my own friend.
Anyway, thanks for
I mean, follow
Nice.
her Instagram and her
My
Instagram.
Snapchat, Greta
Go
Fotu.
to it.
My Instagram is. Oh.
I'll put Instagrams in the
Yes.
description.
You best dash mine.
Okay, the Instagrams will be in the
No, why would you
description.
not like put on screen on
I'll put it on screen and in the
Like,
description.
on their face.
but-
And then
put my one.
Okay,
No,
I'll
wait,
put it
listen, swivel it in like.
Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Wait,
Let
don't
me
finish
shut
it
up.
Wait.
Okay, bye.
Do it.